Hey, this is Patel here, and if you already haven't heard, I'm coming to Vietnam for the Success Conference and Expo. During that time, I'm going to be giving a private, intensive workshop where I'm going to be teaching you the exact strategies I use to grow my businesses here in America that'll work for you in Vietnam. These are the strategies I've used when I work with companies like Amazon, Microsoft. I've also worked with tons of other companies from startups like Airbnb to large corporations like Viacom and NBC who produce things like TV shows and movies. I've worked with different variety of businesses, and the strategies I'm using work on the most competitive businesses. So if you take these tactics and you implement in your business, you're going to grow. Now, during this workshop, I'm going to be sharing with you tactics that I've never shared before in any event in Asia. So make sure you come for my private intensive workshop because I'm going to be breaking down everything step by step. And based on your business, you can ask me questions, I'll analyze your business, and I can even give you feedback. So I look forward to seeing you there, and I hope you're going to be attending my workshop.